Welcome to wizard.com. I'm maths teacher Aditi.
We have this question here. Compare the modal weight of two groups of students in a school. Now we know modal weight or mode is basically the highest value that or highest frequency. So in this case for group A, modal class is 54 to 60. For group A, modal class is 54 to 60, and for group B modal classes, let's look at the values. Yes, it is 42 to 48. So for group B it is 42 to 48. Now mode of grouped data, mode of grouped data is given by L plus f1 minus f0 divided by 2 f1 minus f0 minus f2 multiplied by h, where L is lower limit of modal class, h is class size, f1 is modal frequency, modal class frequency, modal class frequency, f0 is frequency of previous class, and f2 is frequency of next class of modal class. So in this case, if we compare these two, we have mode for group A, mode of group A equal to 54 plus some number, and mode of group B is 42 plus some number, and it is these numbers are going to be smaller than class size, some number. So by looking at the numbers, we can conclude that modal weight of group A is greater than modal weight of group B. Therefore, let me name these equations. Therefore, from 1 and 2, modal weight of group A is greater than modal weight of group B. Modal weight of group B. So in the blank we will have this sign. This is the answer.